How to enable Find My Device on Samsung. Hey everybody, in this quick video I'll show you guys how to easily enable Find My Device on your Samsung device. Open up your settings menu, and once settings is open, you're gonna have to scroll down and find the security and privacy tab. Once you get on this, you can scroll down and then you have more privacy settings. Then you can find different options here like Samsung Privacy Website, autofill from Google Services, Health Connect, Android System Intelligence, and many more. So in order to turn on the Find My Device option, you can go to your Samsung account first, and then here you'll be able to see Find My Mobile option. Tap on it. Make sure you allow all of these options like allow this phone to be found, send last location, and then offline finding. Locate your phone even when it's offline and help others find your device as well. So if you've turned this option on, you should be able to find your phone if you have lost it. Now from here, the next step you can do is go to security privacy and then scroll down to more security settings. Then scroll down to find the device admin apps. Make sure the Find My Device is turned on right here. And once you turn it on, you should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.